Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of the Showerhead store, and in this video I'm going to upgrade this old, crusty shower curtain rod with a brand new rust-proof shower curtain rod, and we're going from a straight one to a curved one, which provides way more elbow room so you don't get that cold, wet shower curtain liner all up against you when you're taking a nice shower. So pretty straightforward. Let's get into switching this thing out. So this shower curtain rod is a curved rod that can be installed by tension and or with permanent hardware. So for us, we're constantly putting up and down the shower curtain to make videos just like this. So we're just gonna do a tension rod mount. But if you have a lot of foot traffic in that shower, like if you have a rental or an Airbnb or something like that, you might wanna make it a permanent mount, which would require making holes in the wall and mounting it with that installation hardware that comes with this shower curtain rod. I'll link to it down below so you can find this exact one, but we paid extra money to get a rust-proof one, a curved mount option, or a curved rod with dual mount option, and you know, the goal is to not have it look all crusty like this. So I've already gotten this one pretty much installed. This is a little bit of a fancier okay, so down with the old one. So yeah, this one's pretty heavy duty. So I've already measured off the distance in the wall, and I want it right about just below this tile grout line. And then all I have to do is just tighten this down on this side. Make sure this is lined up over here. Man, the tension is strong. Okay, tighten that down a little bit more because we do have children in the house. And then I'm just gonna, this just snaps on. This is also a really nice feature, this decorative cap. Snap it on over here. Take this off, take that off. Did a little pull test, and that is gonna need a little bit more tension. Slide this in a little bit. Let's not tighten it down anymore. Perfect. Definitely want to do the pull test because you know the little ones around the house are going to do that. So let's get the shower curtain up, and I'll take you in the shower and you can see how much more room you'll have when you're showering. So we have the curved shower curtain rod up. You can see it bows out nicely from the wall. We upgraded the shower curtain, curtain rings and everything. So in the shower, this top part sticks out where you got your elbows and stuff, so you got a little bit more room, right? So on tighter showers, this is a nice little upgrade. And definitely, regardless if you go with the curved or straight curtain rod, it's a major upgrade to go from a rusty one to a nice, solid, rust-proof one. So that's it for now. Thanks for joining me. I'm Justin with the Showerhead store. I am the Showerhead guy.